जल्दी से प्रीलिम्स के आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. Question number 1, mother of all languages. It's C. A lot of you seem to think Java. C came before that. बहुत सारे even including Java are built on the influence of C. So PDF obviously portable document format. क्योंकि PDF आप जब भी जहाँ भी भेजते हो वो एक ही तरीके से खुलता है. It opens with the same formatting and things like that. तो document को portable कहीं भी आप भेज सकते हो, उसके लिए उसको PDF बोला जाता है. IdeaPad is of course Lenovo. Wide Web. Is this gentleman named Tim Berners-Lee? Yes, absolutely right. So anybody who has said Lee, anybody who has said Tim Berners, anybody who has said Tim Berners-Lee, many of you have said that, have gotten the marks. Okay, so it's time to find out our top 6. I will call them on stage in no particular order. ये marks का order में नहीं है, random order में है. लेकिन जिस order में बुलाया जाएगा, please take your seats that way. Table 1 से शुरू करके table 6 तक चलेंगे. So whoever I call first sits here and then it goes on from there. So Nagpur, get ready to welcome our first finalist from Saraswati Bhavan Convent in Bokhara, Kruti Manekar. Kruti, if we can have you up here. If we take table number 1. Moving on table number 2 from the J.D. Chaudhary Junior Science College in Kasi, Shivam Thakare. Table number 3. Table number 4 from Mahesh Gyanpit High School in Wardha, Vaishnavi Deshpande. So you will take table number 4 there. Table number 5 from Saraswat Central Public School, Nagpur, Soumya Pradeep Shende. What professional networking platform was acquired by Microsoft in 2016? ये professional networking platform, social media platform और जो भी कह लो, Microsoft bought it in 2016. कौन सा? Skype. Not Skype. They did by Skype. Skype is a calling platform, not a professional networking platform. Outlook. Not Outlook. Outlook उन्होंने खुद develop किया. It's their own product. But good guess. Question. Amazon. नहीं, Amazon is a little too big for Microsoft to acquire. You are passing. ठीक है. Chetan, you want to give a shot? PowerPoint. Not PowerPoint. Again, PowerPoint is an application जो उन्होंने खुद ने develop किया था. This is something that is not built into the Microsoft products. Kruti, you have a chance. You are passing as well. तो audience को pass होता है. Anybody from the audience? Anybody from the audience? Don't see a hand. Teachers also are in play, by the way. So any of the teachers want to answer this time?
Is it Meet?
Is it
Microsoft Meet?
Microsoft Meet as in Teams?
Yes, Meet.
It's not Teams, again उनका अपना developed product है. So, surprised anybody else wants to give it a shot? It's a networking website. आप लोग शायद इसको अभी use नहीं करते होगे, but once you start hunting for jobs, you might want to use it. We will give the Copilot is the AI thing.
Indeed type of.
Not Indeed. Indeed is a job. Okay, I'm a little surprised. जो है कौन से वीडियो गेम्स ये है? Mario. Mario will give you plus 25. Good answer there. So Mario or the spin-offs like Mario Kart and all these others, Mario Brothers and so on. So he initially was not his own game. He was in a game called Donkey Kong, and उसके बाद they made a whole Mario game about him. So very good answer. There's also like a movie about him and things like that. Okay, so we go to Vaishnavi for question number 4. Here is question number 4. In May 2017, there was this ransomware attack. Ransomware attack आपको पता है, कभी आपका computer is taken over by somebody or a hacker, and they will lock you out of the computer, and they will ask for money to help you unlock. To hit over 200,000 computers in 150 countries, different companies and all that, who were demanding Bitcoin payments. तो इस अटैक का नाम क्या था? There was a particular name of this ransomware attack. So what was the name? You have no idea, no problem. You're passing as well.
Pass.
Chetan is passing also.
Pass.
No, passing. Okay. Shivam, no idea.
Saying no idea.
Dant also no idea. So we open it to the audience. इसको याद है 20 मेटा
मेटा है
मेटा नहीं, मेटा तो उन्होंने अपने आप को बाद में नाम दिया. That company was not Meta. Do you remember, Chaitanya?
Google.
Not Google. Facebook never really. I think it was the other way around. Google maybe might have tried to buy Facebook once. Kruti, any ideas?
Oculus.
Oculus will give you plus 25. Shivam is on the board with that one. Oculus इसका नाम था Oculus Rift, and then obviously Facebook developed its own VR headset and portal, which was launched by Indian Railways in 2002, changed how online ticket bookings were done. तो कौन सी पोर्टल की बात कर रहे हैं? Which is this portal that was launched by the Indian Railways?
IRTC.
I think I'll give it to you, but need a slightly better answer. Okay, I'll give it to you on IRTC, just to be fair and slightly lenient पहले round में, but it's actually IRCTC, right? But it's giving plus 25 still. So IRCTC, as you all know, जहाँ पे you book train tickets, even if you go to any of the other logical order. ठीक है, तो आपको एक एग्जांपल दिखाते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे there are 4 things: tablet, smartphone, desktop and laptop, right? तो आपको अरेंज करना है कि सबसे पहले कौन सा आया, एंड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम देयर गोइंग टू द लेटेस्ट, राइट? तो यहाँ पे जैसे होगा that it will be desktop, then laptop, then smartphone, then tablet, right? Because that was the order of invention of each of these things. Let's look at the answer. So it's the order. तो ये order आपको बताना है. In this, there will be 6 questions. We will begin with Chaitanya at table number 6 and we'll finish with you, Kruti, at table number 1. इस राउंड में सबको इंडिविजुअल सवाल ही मिलेंगे. There is no pass. तो आपको आंसर देना. If you get it right, great. If you don't get it right, does not pass. I'll probably just open it up for the audience or otherwise, because we don't give anybody else the chance. ठीक है? You just get 1 question each. Clear with everyone? I'll obviously tell you beforehand कि क्या, what is the thing that you have to arrange. So we'll begin with you, Chaitanya. Computer languages हैं, तो वो कब डेवलप हुए थे उस बेसिस पे सबसे पीछे से लेके सबसे लेटेस्ट तक आपको अरेंज करना है. Here it is. Swift, JavaScript, COBOL and C++. ये जाने माने कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस हैं. Which came the earliest and then what was next?
First one C++.
Okay.
Second Swift.
हाँ जी.
Third JavaScript. And fourth COBOL.
Fourth COBOL. Unfortunately, not quite right. So we'll hold on and let somebody from the audience have a shot at this. Anyone from the audience? Okay, I can see a hand there. They still can win this one. Okay. Buzzer round के rules बहुत simple हैं. If you press the buzzer and give me the right answer, plus 25 points. अगर आपने buzzer press किया and you can't give the answer or gave me the wrong answer, minus 25. So buzzer round में negatives है, तो ध्यान से buzzer press कीजिएगा. As far as the basic rule of buzzer round goes, the moment you are pressing the buzzer, आप indicate कर रहे हो कि आपको answer आता है. तो if I come to you, please give the answer as quickly as you can. बहुत सारा time नहीं ले सकते because that will be unfair on the other contestants. दूसरी बात, just wait for my confirmation कि कौन से table ने buzzer दबाया है before you give out the answer. So don't immediately like shout out the answer. Confirm होने के बाद if I come to you, then give me the answer. Okay? Just those 2 things please keep in mind. We will test your buzzers once. So, just any of the switches will work. आप buzzer switch press करो. Yeah. Okay. Shivam. Okay. Anand. Okay. Vaishnavi. Soumya? Yeah. And Chetan. So the switches are sensitive enough. आपको बहुत जोर से दबाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. The key is that कोई भी अगर buzzer दबाएगा, anybody's buzzer goes up, then nobody else's will work. Have we reset the? So for example, if you press now, yeah, you will get nothing because it's already pressed, right? तो किसी एक का भी buzzer press होगा तो other buzzers will be down. Just for it. So we now reset. Okay. Ready guys? बाकी specific rounds की चीजें I will explain to you as we go on. Here is the first round. It's called sync up. बहुत ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. एक एग्जांपल देख लीजिए. दिस इज नॉट एन एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन बट जस्ट टू गिव एन एग्जांपल. सो फॉर एग्जांपल के कृतिवासन, हु डज ही सिंक अप विद? TCS. तो आप बजर दबा के बोलोगे TCS एंड दैट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट? सो वेरी सिंपल. लुक एट द क्लू ऑन द लेफ्ट एंड सिंक इट और कनेक्ट इट टू द करेक्ट क्लू ऑन द राइट. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वन इज अबाउट a processor. Computer processor के बारे में है. Link the company to the processor. Here is the question. NVIDIA.
GeForce.
GeForce is absolutely right. Plus 25. Brilliant answer there. Very quick on the buzzer. Shivam. And he's got an answer going on the buzzer round. अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं. The next question is about computer products. Dell, ThinkPad, Pavilion, Inspiron. Shivam going again. Inspiron or Inspiron, whichever way you pronounce it, 25 marks. Either way, well done. So Dell Inspiron line of laptops. Okay. Question number 3. Phone का operating system. Phone operating system के बारे में है. Here it is. Which of these connects to Oppo? MIUI, ColorOS. Okay.
Harmonix.
ColorOS.
ColorOS is the right answer. No need to go to minus 25, but remember, you have to wait to see who's pressed the buzzer. So that is either depending on the board. Good answer there. ColorOS is absolutely right. And we have one more question to go on this. Product and company match कीजिए. Here it is. This should be an easy one, so jump for it.
Tesla.
Going for it.
Tesla.
No, Tesla.
अच्छा sorry, Cybertruck.
Yeah, Cybertruck will give you the plus 25. Not the company is already there. We need the product dedicated to Tesla. So, Shivam making the early moves here in the buzzer round as most of the times champions do, but let's see if the others can keep up. This was the third round. चलते हैं fourth round की तरफ. Here is round. So, इस राउंड का नाम है द लिंक. तो आपको 3 क्लूज दिखेंगे. उन तीनों के बीच में कॉमन लिंक बना. So if you see this clue here, this is a